Good morning guys, and in front of me is MOTOROLA Razr 40 Ultra, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, open your phone gallery, then select the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to and select edit icon. Now click on add picture, and here you can pick either one from the illustrations. Then you can customize it however you like. Then you can choose one from your Google Photos or device photos. So it's totally up to you, just pick the picture that you want to apply and customize it however you like. Click on choose and then tap on save to apply the change. And that's it, that will be all. From now on, this picture will be assigned to this particular contact. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.